In case you missed it over the weekend, Park Falls got down to 40 below zero, and Rhinelander had its coldest temperature since 1996. I was living there at the time. We were in the mid-40s below zero. We've got more negatives on the way this week. Your forecast is next.
Now, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-degree guarantee. Sponsored by Habish, & Rotier.
High temperatures this afternoon running about 20 degrees below normal for this time of year. And right now we're looking at single digits everywhere, ranging from 1 in Antigo to 9 degrees in Wapaka. Currently in Green Bay after sunshine pretty much all day long. Skies have now turned cloudy. It is 5 degrees. In Oshkosh, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. We've got southwest winds gusting to around 14 miles per hour, so obviously it feels much colder out there. The wind chill in Fond du Lac and Oshkosh right now coming in at 14 below, and it feels like 12 degrees below in Sturgeon Bay. And later on tonight into tomorrow morning, most of us once again will see wind chills in the lower 20s below zero. That's behind a system that's going to move through tonight with a little bit of light snow. The radar shows some patchy light snow here from southeastern Minnesota into the western UP. The high-res future radar shows that snow moving through later on this evening into the very early morning hours of Tuesday. Dusting is possible. Most locations will stay below a ½ an inch as that period of snow moves through. It's out ahead of our next weather maker, which is a cold front. That cold front is going to drop south into Wisconsin later on tonight into tomorrow morning. Out ahead of it was cold, and behind it was cold, but just a little bit colder than what we saw today. And that colder weather is going to start working back in here with a very gusty northwest wind tomorrow at times up to around 30 miles per hour. I think most of us will see afternoon temperatures only in the single digits to around 10 degrees. And wind chills tomorrow, for the most part, will be in the single digits and teens below zero once we get past tomorrow morning. Skycast shows a mixture of sun and clouds for your Tuesday. We'll see mostly clear skies tomorrow night. And then on Wednesday, it's more the same, a mixture of sunshine and clouds and frigid temperatures. Highs will be running about 20 degrees below normal once again, with single digits to around 10 degrees. The bitterly cold weather we saw on Friday and Saturday is now shifting back to the north and east, but the frigid weather is going to be sticking around all week long. So tonight, windy flakes and then clearing out, lows around zero, wind chills around 20 below. Tomorrow, windy and cold, kind of a mixture of sun and clouds with single digits to around 10. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 10 degrees. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to the Crivets Area Community Pantry. And we did that last week. I forecast a high of -8. The high temperature was -7. That was at midnight. The actual daytime high was -8. All right, 10 degrees on Tuesday, 10 on Wednesday, 8 on Thursday, 10 on Friday, obviously way below normal for this time of year. 20 on Saturday, the final day of January, and then we move into February with a warm-up, mid-20s. And guess what's a week from today? That's right, Groundhog Day.